Good morning, it's Bev at Planet Crochet. Now these 5 balls of yarn in front of you have been used to make a particular item. It's a customer order. This lady has ordered elephant theme rug and a cushion for her future grandson, and she wanted something similar as a blanket, and that's what I've done. Before I go on, this is not sponsored in any way. The yarn here, this is Stylecraft, Aran, and these are the 5 colours that's gone into the blanket. Some of them are from my stash, the white and the black, the others I had to purchase in. Like I said, it's for a themed bedroom. If you want this pattern, I will leave a link below for the designer, and then you can go and search for the blanket. If you look on Etsy under the lady's name, it will come up no problem. Anyway, I'll show you what the blanket looks like. It's taken me a while to do this. Yeah, this blanket has taken approximately a timed 1 hexagon, and this is not the full size of what I was going to do. I have cut it off because the size the lady wanted was a cot size, and this will fit a cot perfect. It would be extended a little bit further with some more hexagons, but like I say, go on Etsy with the name and you'll find this blanket no problem. I didn't have an issue finding it. It's an individual pattern, it's not in a book, and I purchased this and I purchased the giraffe one as well. So if you would like me to make you one, give me a comment below or a message on my Instagram at Planet Crochet, and I'll get back to you on that. I love making these animal themed projects, items if you like. The lady picked the colouring. Now the grey, this graphite and this silver is what she's got on the rug and the cushions. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see them. I've made them and I've posted them on. She doesn't have social media, so she won't see this. I think it's absolutely stunning. The designer is amazing. She really is. But that's what I've been doing behind the scenes. So I've not made a couple of videos. I've got videos in the background to do, but I just haven't got around to doing it because I didn't realise this would take so long. But I've thoroughly enjoyed it. This is the second size. There's 4 sizes to this pattern, so it is well worth your money if you want to do this yourself. And it's not hard. I mean, if you are a beginner, I wouldn't recommend. I would start something else. Start with something easy. And I'm sure she's got patterns that are easier, because you make these individual hexagons and then you join as you go. I like the join as you go method. I'm not one of those crocheters that makes a ton of shapes and then sits individually with a needle and sews them together. No, thank you. I like to use my hook as much as I can. So that's what I've got, from 5 balls of yarn to a baby blanket. Anyway, I'll catch you on another video. I'll leave a link below for my Instagram and my Etsy shop as well. I haven't put this on yet, so don't go rushing over and thinking, oh, let's have a look. I need to do that. I've got other things to do as well. But I'll catch you on another video. From me, Bev at Planet Crochet. Bye for now.